Microsoft has just released its latest weekly release of Visual Studio Code, version 1.132. Key updates in this release are element-level feedback in the inbuilt browser, multilingual dictation, side chats, and experimental Markdown diffs in the hybrid Markdown editor. With this update, dictation is now processed on-device using the multilingual Nematron 3.5 model by default. Dictation uses your system or browser locale when supported. Otherwise, it lets the model detect the language. VS Code also gives you the option to import an official Foundry local model package if downloads are blocked. A really nice feature in this update is side chats, which you can start by using /btw to ask questions without interrupting active agent turns. Also, you can now reference other chats by using #chat or by dragging chat tabs into the input box. The element-level feedback in the browser that we mentioned allows you to select web page elements and attach agent feedback comments using a keyboard shortcut. From this version, the hybrid Markdown editor's experimental Markdown diffs will now highlight added, changed, and deleted content in rendered documents while leaving modified files directly editable. The new update should be offered to you within the editor next time you open it. If you don't have Visual Studio Code yet, you can grab it from the website's download page. If you want to see all the changes for this update, check out the release notes. Microsoft took the decision to put out new updates of VS Code on a weekly basis, starting with version 1.111, which launched in March of this year. Microsoft didn't make the move to annoy you with constant updates and VS Code restarts. Rather, it wants to keep up with the breakneck speed of development in AI-assisted coding to deliver features and bug fix to developers as soon as they are ready.